Nearly 73% of children in India attend government schools. Many of these schools are especially in rural and tribal areas and have only few teachers. Every day, teachers must go to school and create a meaningful learning experience for children. The recovery of education sector from impact of COVID is ongoing. One of the greatest costs of pandemic was teachers' engagement and well-being, which directly impacts students. Lack of affordable and contextualized curriculums and trainings for personal well-being, lack of resources to cater the need of huge population, lack of trained facilitator even makes the problem more complex. But overall, I think the biggest problem is awareness of prioritizing mental health for teachers.
Specifically with regards to teachers and educators, nobody is there to support them even when they need it the most.
तनाव तो खूब था, मतलब तनाव तो क्या था, थोड़ा काम का प्रेशर रहता था, तो इसलिए थोड़ा छोटी छोटी बातों पे परेशान रहते थे. उसी चीज को इधर उधर लेके चलते रहते थे, साथियों से पूछते रहते थे.
We started asking this basic question within our team: who give care to caregivers? Since 2020, Brio and Shamtale have partnered together to design a groundbreaking program that helps educators in government schools to build mental and emotional well-being. The program is called Hausla, which means resilience. It is centered on the experience of teachers, created to be approachable and accessible to them. Hausla uses audio recordings and facilitation to help teachers learn well-being skills through stories and experiences over 21 days. These skills include increased awareness of self and others, interconnectedness, compassion, and psychological flexibility. Thanks to a grant from Pinterest, we are able to scale Hausla to 2,000 teachers in Sirohi, Rajasthan this year in partnership with local government and well-being facilitators known as Wellbeingpreneurs. We trained 24 Wellbeingpreneurs on basics of leading reflective conversation with a group of teachers. They learned basics of mental and emotional well-being and psychological flexibility. Then, they designed their own well-being spaces for teachers, conducted outreach for every teacher cohort, and ensured that teacher participants felt welcomed.
हौसला कार्यक्रम के दौरान हमें हमारी जो मन स्थिति है, एक तो उसकी तस्वीर हमारे सामने निकल कर गई। जैसे कि हौसला ने एक मुझे ही ऑब्जेक्ट में रख करके, मेरा ही अध्ययन करके मेरे सामने ही एक तस्वीर रख दी हो.
Being a hybrid model, it is totally scalable, and along with that, it is very flexible.
इस हौसला कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से हमारे दिमाग से जो अनयूज्ड डाटा है, एक जो प्रेशर की स्थिति है, उससे हमने निजात पाई है.
Because of this program, many teachers have shared how they have experienced well-being in a new way. Many of them told us how it has improved their teaching and their lives more generally. All of this change shows up in data as well. In a recent evaluation, nearly 70% of teachers increased on the WHO-5 Wellbeing Index. We also saw improvements in their mindfulness skills, resilience skills, and psychological flexibility. As space was created for these teachers to learn these skills, they created nurturing learning environment for thousands of children.
We have mapped what they feel, what they hear, what they think, what they see. And that is why Hausla is a specially articulated program for the teachers.
There are 22 Wellbeingpreneurs who are going to graduate this year and who are going to take their ideas in every corner of India to create well-being centered initiatives, processes and solutions.
We believe in power of mental health and well-being to expand the range of possibilities for everyone. As we continue to partner with teachers, governments and communities, we hope to see thousands more experience this freedom to live lives of meaning, purpose and impact.